Hello, welcome back to our channel, everybody. So today we are on the lake, and there's Todd. We're on the lake and just enjoying the day and being thankful that we woke up another day. So we're just enjoying all the fall colors and just enjoying the day. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what we're seeing. And there we are. Oh, and there's Todd's hand, seriously. I'll go around this way. Just the full, like, 360 view. Seriously. And then I'll do a hyperlapse of all the trees when we're going by as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the nice fall foliage colors of Wisconsin. Airplane.
That's very low.
They are flying pretty low, yeah. Cool.
They're practicing landing in the water. Oh yeah, they're going down again.
That's cool.
Alright, you guys. Well, we're heading in for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed all the fall colors and the view. So I'll see you guys next time.